Cities are not just growing, they are evolving. Expanding skylines, smarter connections, and vibrant spaces are reshaping how we live, work, and dream. At the same pace, the construction landscape will be undergoing a dramatic transformation, driven by the need for innovation, sustainability, and reduced carbon footprints. At Thermax Construction Chemicals, we embrace this challenge as a chance to drive change, creating solutions that don't just build structures, but build a better tomorrow. That's why we choose a path that drives impact, business with a purpose. Whether it's fortifying the foundation of a future landmark, protecting surfaces from the elements, or ensuring longevity and safety, our expertise touches every phase of construction. We turn vision into reality, overcoming challenges with precision and expertise, while respecting the planet and its resources. We empower architects and engineers to push boundaries, creating spaces that inspire and endure for generations. Step by step, layer by layer, and solution by solution, we help transform ambitious ideas into tangible realities. We are partners in progress. We address structural restoration, sustainable construction practices, and industrial carbon reduction. With every project, we create value blending performance with sustainability. Together, we're laying the foundation for a world that's stronger, smarter, and kinder to the planet.